The Mr. Black crew and I have teamed up yet again to bring you another epic cocktail challenge, the 2021 Coffee Cocktail Challenge. Things will be a little bit different this year, with entries opening on the 29th of September, and you have 2 weeks to submit your entries. And yes, you can submit multiple cocktails. Now, there are a few requirements to enter, which include 1, featuring Mr. Black cold brew coffee liqueur as one of the ingredients. 2, be an original creation of your own. 3, not contain more than 120 ml or 4 ounces of liquor. I'm trying to be responsible here. And 4, you must be of legal drinking age in your country of residence. So you can head to coffeecocktail.com.au for all your challenge-related info and frequently asked questions. I'll leave a link in the description below. Cocktail entries close on the 12th of October, which is when voting will begin. Voting is open for 2 weeks, until the 27th of October. So this will be the time to spread the word and promote your cocktail. So the 5 cocktails that receive the most votes will make it to the semi-finals, along with 5 cocktails that will be hand selected by the judges. The top 10 will be announced on the 3rd of November before being taste tested and judged by the panel. Now, of course, there's a number of great prizes up for grabs, including a dual boiler coffee machine, hand-blown Japanese glassware, merch packs, barware, and of course you can get your cocktail featured on the channel, as well as thirstymag.com. The grand final winner will be announced on the 16th of November, so you've got less than 2 weeks to get your creative cocktail juices flowing before entries open. The Mr. Black team and I can't wait to see what you have in store for us this year. Are you up for the challenge? Cheers.